Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll discuss fetch rewards versus cash rewards and which one saves you more money. So let's get right into it. So starting with fetch rewards. If you snap a photo of your receipt and instantly earn points on eligibility purchases, you redeem your points for gift cards to Amazon, Starbucks, and many more apps. Earn extra points with brand-specific offers, referrals, and bonuses. And you will be easy to spend your awards passively. Now, comparing it with Cash Rewards app. So basically, Cash Rewards works more like a cashback app, requiring you to link a card and shop through your partner stores. It offers you direct cash payouts to PayPal or your bank. The higher cashback rates when shopping through the app, but few earning opportunities. So, comparing both of them, I'll say Cash Reward is better for online shoppers who want cash, but Fetch Reward is best for casual shoppers who love gift cards. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.